video clip, we will talk about how to use this electronic book. You can see this is the table of content. In chapter 1, we start with the very basic mathematical knowledge. We can see here we actually do is from fractions, decimals. That's why we call this book is Basic Mathematics, Mathematic ABC. And then after arithmetic in chapter 1, we can do algebra. That will be in chapter 2. In chapter 2, we talked about quadratic formula. Then after algebra, we will do is in chapter 3 about function concept. And here we talked about linear function and quadratic function. In chapter 4, after we complete 4.1 for radicals and rational exponents, we should be able to understand well in the power function and the exponential function, and then later logarithm function. After we complete 4.2, we should have a good standing laid on a good foundation for us to learn the rational function later on in pre-calculus. And after we complete 4.3, for the systems of linear equation, we should have a good standing later on in finding the intersection of a line and the parabola. And that will be good for us to learn the calculus later on. So basically, that is the structure for this e-textbook. Now, this e-textbook also very easy to navigate. The style of writing this textbook has been awarded by the Nevada system of higher education. You see, after you have a reading, you have a completed reading for section 1, 2 in chapter 1, you can do some quiz. For example, if you click quiz here, then you can do this quiz too. For example, you click here, and if you input some letter here, they will not let you do it. So you have to do is click on start first. And then if you choose this answer for question 1b, and here if you input 4x plus 3, and you just want to stop, so you will do 2 out of 7 questions correctly. First 2 and another 5. And then if you want to see the correct answer, so you can see this one, they marked is correct. And this one we did right. If you want to see the correct answer for this one, you simply click on answer, and the answer shows up here, which is 7x minus 8. To see why this is correct, this video, you can use your cell phone camera to scan on that and then click the link. The explanation will show up on your cell phone to explain how to do the questions right here. You may also click this time, and then it will bring you to the YouTube to explain this part. The whole textbook is video explained. If you continue reading or you want to go back to the table of content, you may click this 1.3 section title. It will bring you back. Now here, if you want to go to the index, that is good. And then here, if you forget some terminologies, you can simply go there. For example, what's the meaning for the function? You may click on page 106. It will bring you to this page, page 106. And then here they will talk about function concept. For example, if you click -2, -2 squared is 4. 1 squared is still 1, output is 1. Input is 2 here, and then output is still 4. So -2 squared is 4, +2 squared is 4, and if you click 3, see here, it will give you 9. So basically, the function of this box is to square the input. So this is the good feature for explaining the function. You can toggle in all those numbers. Let it out and then let it in, okay, to show up. Again, here you may use your cell phone to scan it to let me explain how to do this part. What's the meaning for this page? What's the meaning for the function? And then that's the video part. Animation, what is the graph of this function x squared? So you can do here is frame by frame. You see here, -2 squared is 4. So -2 is here, 4 is here. So you have this point, calculation point. The second one is -1 here squared is +1. Here is the actual step. You get second point. Third point is 0 squared is 0. So you have a 0, 0. And then 1 squared is 1. You have a 1, 1 here. And 2 squared is 4. You have a 2, 4 here. That's the graph. So it's very easy to understand with the animation, and then that's basically how we got this parabola. Again, there are 5 great features. One is easy to navigate. Another is you can auto-grading your assignment, your quiz, to see how good your comprehension is. And then the third feature is toggling the graph here. You see here. And then you can have a video, which is the 4th good feature, and the 5th good feature will be the animation. It will help you. So that's why this ebook was awarded by the Nevada System of Higher Education. And I hope you are enjoying this book, and I'll see you in the book.